guys, I am vlogging. I'm vlogging while I'm on vacation in Nashville, Tennessee. So I thought I would show you guys, first I'm going to show you the room tour, then I'll show you what I'm, like the outfit of the day, and then I'll just take you guys along with me, wherever we go. I know I'm going to do some touristy things, go eat, stuff like that, but let me show you guys the room. It's really cool. So this is kind of like the outfit of the day. I'm wearing some really cute cowboy boots with some little rhinestones on it. Black jeans. It's actually snowing today. It's in the 30s and it's really cold. So I have this really cute floral print top. I don't know where I got the boots from. The jeans are Henry & Bell. The top is from a little boutique. The leather jacket is Madewell. Ring is from a boutique. So that's the outfit of the day. And I just have my hair like straight, you guys. So this necklace is from, where's this necklace from? Anthropologie. And so yeah, I'm wearing like red lip, no eye makeup, well, you know, lashes, mascara, but no like major stuff, some highlights, hair straight, very cold outside. I'm either going to use, for the bag, I brought two bags. So I'm either going to use this one, which is from, what is it? It's from like a FabFitFun box, but it's by the brand Vince Camuto. And then I have this bag, which is super cute, and it is Rebecca Minkoff. It's got these really cute little tassel designs. It's black, so I'm either going to wear this bag or this bag, and then this is just like my makeup. I have a Hello Kitty makeup bag as well, and Victoria's Secret luggage, and then I have another Victoria's Secret bag. Where's my, another Victoria's Secret bag here. So yeah, that's my little room tour, guys. Okay guys, changed clothes. Alright, so we're fixing to go to dinner. So cowboy boots, black jeans, this really beautiful floral top I got from Stitch Fix. I changed bags. I'm using this bag, leather jacket. It's really cold outside, and I did put my longer extensions in and I rolled it. So that's the look.
Man, I don't know what right now. Beer coming.
Beer, yep. Okay, this is the outfit of the day, second day in Nashville. So, same boots, same jeans, Henry and Val. Top is a sweater from Red Dress Boutique, my Madewell leather jacket. My handbag is Rebecca Minkoff. And then I just like put my extensions in, straightened them. Got my sunglasses, and I'll try to link some stuff for you guys, but whatever. So we're headed to downtown Nashville to do some shopping at the Gulch, and hopefully take some vlogging video and maybe some photos or something. So I'll check back with you guys later. Huh? Yeah, well. There's the Easter tree.
It's not crowded.
No. These malls just not open anyway.
Huh?
These malls just not opened anyway. Oh, this would have been so awesome the whole time I was there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that is so comfy.
You should have went here first.
That is cute and it's cozy. How much is this?
Look at those.
I need a plate. You used to have one of these when you were little. Your grandma probably coffee cup. Mama llama. I like it. That one say sloppy. That one's cute. It's just sloppy. It's a sloth who wants some coffee, so we're a little sloppy. No, oh, no.
Are we the only ones here?
No drama llama. I need a no drama llama.
I can't really see any of it.
I love that nobody's in here. I love that nobody's in here.
It's not like this where
Oh,
it's
I
like
wish we had got a booth.
I like that.
I just want to let you guys know I've been wearing red lipstick all day long in Nashville. I put it on this morning about 11 o'clock this morning. It is now 11 o'clock at night. I did touch up once, but I have drank wine. I've had iced coffee this morning, and then I had hot coffee tonight. Ate dinner, and I've only applied it once about 1 o'clock this afternoon. It is now 11 o'clock at night. So that's why I'm always like telling you guys, if you want a really good red lipstick, this right here will last all day and you don't even have to worry about it. So this is, again, the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. I just wanted to show you guys that if I talk about a product on my channel and I'm like obsessed with it, I really do use it, you guys. So this is what I brought on my trip, and this stays all day long. I don't even have to think about it. And this is in Groundbreaker number 117. Check it out, it's drugstore price. And so I just wanted to end this vlog here, and I might show you guys me taking my makeup off a little bit. But yes, I'm